So onto the details of this hair, you guys. This hair is from Westkiss Hair. They are no stranger here to my channel. I actually really love their units. I love their HD lace. I love their body wave hair. Their straight hair is amazing too, but I just typically tend to like this hair company a lot. So this, like I said, is a full lace wig from them. Now this is my first time trying a full lace wig, so this is actually great because I get to give you guys like what I feel are the pros and the cons of a unit like this, even though I feel like there's no cons that come with it. This is their full lace wig with Swiss lace in a medium brown color. Now one of the biggest pros that I feel like you get with a full lace wig is that there's lace all around the entire wig cap. Like there's not one track, everything is hand tied. So along with it being hand tied, that's another benefit, because basically all that means is that they went in piece by piece, strand by strand, and put it into the wig so it's single knotted, which is amazing. Because if you notice with some of the other wigs, they have really big knots on them sometimes. That's why sometimes a lot of hair is hard to bleach, but this hair took to bleach amazingly. Now I did bleach the knots, but I only really focused it on half of the wig. I didn't really bleach the back area just because I wasn't sure if I was actually going to be doing styles to where you would even see the back of the lace. Also, this is their body wave wig, and I was very indecisive. As you guys can see, I started to curl it, then I changed my mind and straightened it, because I always tell you guys the reason why I love body wave hair is because of its versatility. It can get super straight and it can hold a curl. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like once it was straightened. I have their HD lace body wave wig, and I've straightened that wig too, and that wig straightens just the same as this one does. Like, this hair is so silky. I didn't put any products on it. It straightens absolutely beautifully, and I don't even think I used my flat iron on 450. It was like on 400, to be honest. This is how bone straight their body wave hair gets. Along with that, I do have this wig in 24 inches, and the density is 180% density. So although this wig is 24 inches, it does look more like a 26 inch, but that's nothing to complain about. It just looks a little bit longer than a 24 inch. Longest length that it comes in is 24 inches. So if you're wanting a full lace wig a little bit longer, they probably wouldn't be the people to get it from. I don't even have my foundation color underneath on the lace like I normally do, and that's not something that I did intentionally. I honestly just forgot to do that step. So you guys did see me put the wig grip on, and as you guys can see, you guys saw what color it was. You can't see it through the wig at all. Even when I parted it for you guys to show you, you can't see it. This area here is maybe a little bit light, but I think that's because of my actual wig cap. Look how defined that part is. Like, parting this hair is just such a breeze. Like, this is how you can tell a wig is like single tied, because you get flawless parts like this. And I didn't go in and make it wider. This is literally how the hair looks whenever it's sectioned. What I especially love about this wig, and I will put a clip here on the screen somewhere so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about, is that you can literally part it anywhere. I parted it straight in different sections. You guys are going to see me part it diagonally. You could literally do this in a half up, half down. There is no tracks, so you have freedom to part anywhere on this wig. Every wig that I have gotten from them has honestly been great. My only thing that I would say about this wig is it doesn't feel like a true 180% density to me. It's a lot more thinner than what a 180 density should feel like, because that's the typical density that I get, so I'm pretty familiar with how full it should feel. It shouldn't be too full, but it shouldn't be, you know, thin either. And I feel like this could be just a little bit more fuller for 180 density. So my solution for you guys would be, if you do get this wig, definitely go up in density. I'm not sure if the next density option is either 200 or 250, but go up in density unless you're okay with like this look right here, because it does look a little bit more natural. But I just noticed that it just doesn't feel like how I know a 180 density should feel. So yeah, it's been about 2 months since I've been wearing this wig. It hasn't been getting much use within these last like 2 or 3 weeks, because I've been on like the headband wigs. I do have 2 videos out now with those, so if you guys don't know what those are, you guys haven't seen my videos on those, I will be sure to link them down below and put them here somewhere on the screen, because those are a great alternative if you don't necessarily want a full lace wig, or even just a regular wig for that matter. You not, you guys, it has not moved at all. Like, the only thing that I've been doing now, this method with me wearing my wigs completely glueless, is honestly putting the wig grip on and then using my edge control to kind of do my edges. And if I'm doing a wig install where I'm not doing my edges, then I just use it to hold the lace down basically, and then I put an elastic band or like a silk scarf on it, and that pretty much secures me for the entire day. The only thing that you have to make sure that you know, secure down is going to be the ear tabs. Unfortunately, the wig grip does not fix the problem of the ear tab flap. I think, you know, that's pretty much a given. She'll have to put like some type of gel or even mousse on and then tie it down real quick just to make sure that part is good. But honestly, if everything else is secure and not moving, and this is the only part that I have to put a little bit of something on in order for it to stay down, that's actually not that bad to me. It's a way better alternative versus using glue, using a lot of got2b spray. This wig grip is amazing. It's kind of windy outside today, and I've already been outside. I could go outside and not worry about the lace flapping back. When I tell you guys this wig is secure, it is very secure. So for those of you who want a glueless method, but you guys do not like when people use got2b, even though honestly got2b is not glue. Like, it says glue on there, but that's just like their marketing thing. It's kind of like sarcasm, kind of like the saying for the butter brand, like, I can't believe it's not butter when it is butter. Like, that's kind of how got2b glue is. Like, it's not glue, but a lot of people like jump down people's throat who use it. This is not glue, you guys. It's just a really strong type of gel. But if you don't like using this and you want something that's completely glueless, then this would be something that I would encourage you guys to try to do and see for yourself how it works for you. So I think I got everything that I wanted to say out of the way. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. You guys can let me know if you've ever used one of these wig grip things. Let me know if you've ever even tried a full lace wig, because like I said, this is my first one. Don't have any doubts about it. I just wish it was a little bit more fuller, but I just know in the future, if I get another one from them, like maybe in a different texture, I know to get it a little bit thicker. So that concludes this video. If you guys have any more questions regarding this hair or even just this type of wig, please feel free to leave them down below. As always, I like to be sure to tell you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.